Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made this clip inside fringe crochet hair, and I'll be using my regular mesh down cap for this particular wig. So guys, I'll be measuring out my wig cap with a tape, and that particular piece I'm going to be measuring is going to be 3 inches deep, and that is where I'm going to cut out. So in order to not lose my measurements, I'm going to use my pin or wall pin to just stick it down there and use my concealer to mark out where exactly I'm going to be cutting out from. Now guys, this part I'm using my concealer for is exactly the place I'm going to be cutting out, and this is where I'm going to be putting my pins or clip ins, so I'm going to cut out not exactly at where I marked out. Okay, if you notice, I left some inches away. Okay, so that's because whenever you want to sew, because I'm going to be using my machine, you actually need to fold it in. So when you're folding it in, you don't have to cut exactly at that place. If not, you're going to miss out your measurements. So this is where I'm going to be sewing right now. So guys, as you can see, I'm folding it in, and I folded it perfectly because I left out like few inches or 1 inch out when I was cutting it from the mannequin head. So I'm going to be going in with my white thread, and that's because I wanted you guys to see what I was sewing. Okay, so that's why. And it's actually a personal wig, so but if I want to do it for like a client or something, I'm going to be using a black thread. But if you're not also a professional or you're a beginner when it comes to wig, I would advise you use a black thread as well, because I could maneuver my way and like cover up the white thread. But if you're a beginner, I'm not sure you'll be able to like cover it up, so always use a black thread whenever you're sewing. So guys, I'm going to be using the Freetress braid crochet hair in the style of water wave and in the length or 22 inches. Okay, so I'm now actually going to cut it into 2 because I don't want that exact length. I wanted something short and fluffy, something I always love. So that was what I did. So after cutting this hair into 2, I went in as usual to crochet the back. Or I started from the back. Okay, you can start from wherever you like, but I started from the back. And one good thing about this hair is that it gets full easily. Like I just literally used just 2 packs and I was okay, like so okay, although I used like everything for the 2 packs, but it was so good and full. It came out nice. And also, if you notice, the edges were actually blunt, but you can actually just unravel it with your hands, like just go through it, and everything is going to come out nice later. So guys, when you get to the part where you actually did the cut out, always remember to slant, or how would I put it, always remember to install the hair slantly. Okay, don't put it from the back, or you see the way I stood and like how I'm putting it and it's all laying to the back. So don't do it that way. Lay it slantly so the hair falls on top of whatever you sew. Okay, like as you're seeing there now, that's what I sewed with the white thread. I told you earlier, do not use the white thread to sew. I just did this because first of all, it's a personal wig, and secondly, it's just to show you guys how I sewed it in. Okay, so always install your crochet hair slantly. Do not put it as straight as you're seeing right now. I'm going to show you guys while the video keeps going. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, like, comment, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also share my video, please. So I told you guys earlier I was going to show you guys, and this is what I'm telling you. You see the way I stood, like even if I'm not standing directly because I'm filming, I stood at a part where I can actually just slightly place the crochet or install the crochet and still lay it down, and you see it's covering the place I sew. Okay, so that's what I was talking about earlier. You don't install your crochet directly from the back when you get to the cutout side, or when you get to where you're going to put in your clip ins, so you'll be able to like cover those places. And when I'm installing the wig, you'd even see the reason clearly why I said you should always put your hair or install the hair slightly while doing the whole wig. So after I was done installing the crochet hair, I went on with trimming it. And then if you noticed earlier, that places I was pulling out were blunt. So whenever you have a blunt end, you just pull it out carefully and it's going to come out nice. Like it's not going to get blunt again. So this is what it looks like, and I literally did it on purpose because I wanted this particular pattern because it gives it that full edge, and you know, so cute. This is the clip in I'm using and my curved needle to do the final touch. So I'm going to put this clip in on this first part, and I'm also going to put it in the middle part, and I'm also going to put it at the end, you know, and you'll see the end I was talking about, like all the same at the same spot, like this C parts I cut out, and I also put it at the other side where I don't have any cutout, so the wig would be able to hold. And if you want to add a comb in the middle of the hair, not practically the middle, but you can also do that to just to make it have a firm hold, you know, just to make it firm on your head. And now for the final look, I'll be using my mousse to make the coil outstanding, to make the coil stay, to make the coil pop in. And then I'm also going to apply my smooth sheen to add glow to the wig cap, or to just make it last and shine longer. Now guys, this is what the wig is looking like from the inside, and this is me trying to install the wig. I literally had to fuss my hair to braid it just because I wanted to wear this wig and see how it's gonna look on me, and I love it. I love it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, ask whatever question you want to ask me. I am here for you as always. I'll be seeing you all on my next video. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye.